once again, we're here working on the fuel system on the rat rod. It's been too hot to work in the daytime. Yeah, 100 degrees and it's outside, and in the garage it's terribly hot. Just way too hot. Can't do it. Anyways, just give you an update where I'm at. I just installed my hose that I showed you in the prior video. Here's the clamps I like to use. Here, here, and here. Notice when you tighten them down, they don't really pinch the line, they just cinch it down pretty good. Those are pretty darn tight too. That stuff's not moving anywhere. So anyways, yeah, I know this big ugly filter is not as pretty as it should be as like the clear ones, but this is a functional filter. It's a good paper filter. It's going to get any more impurities in that fuel line cleaned out if there's any few in the metal line. Just to keep the carburetor clean as possible. Anyways, there's the fuel pump that I replaced last time, or a few videos ago. So I'm sure there's some residual debris inside this line here, but all new line, a nice good filter here to keep it clean. Eventually I might change it back out. Anyways, so that's what it looks like. Everything's tight. I installed the one from the tank to the hard line in the back underneath the car. I already did that. Just need to put a little bit of fuel in it, prime it, and it should fire right up. If I have any more issues with this, I'm just going to replace it because it really is not the greatest gauge in the world anyways. I'm going to get a liquid filled one so it doesn't bounce around on the motor. With the motor with the cam, it's all over the place. And got the little screen inside there, getting cleaned out and everything as well. Should be good to go. I'll let you know how it turns out later.